Hey, it's day 6 now, and I went to school today for the first time since my surgery, and it sucks. I am not looking forward to these next 6 weeks, and I'm not looking forward to tomorrow. I don't know. It was just rough. Failing algebra, failing history. I'm usually really smart, but when you miss that much school, I guess you fail. So, I gotta get those grades up. I gotta get all the work I messed up, all the tests. I don't know. I'm just stressed. Gotta plan this prom stuff. Hope I'm not a sling by then. But everyone's really nice. Had people helping me with everything. I ain't gotta worry about carrying any books or my backpack or anything. People are super nice. But I'm still not taking any pain medicine. I talked to the trainer today, and he said I could try to take my pain medicine again, like, tonight, and that it might not make me sick. It could have just been from the anesthesia mixed with it, but I really don't know if I want to risk that again, because I can't miss any more school. Oh, but yeah, I have my sling off. I just got done doing my exercises. I have all the bandaging off. Oh, I just put a tight shirt on. I should have left the other shirt on. I don't know how good y'all can see. I know my laptop doesn't have the best resolution or whatever, but here's my 2 stitches right here, 2 right here, and then I don't know if y'all can see anything, but 2 in the back down here. Yep. Those are my battle wounds. Hopefully I'm not gonna scar too bad for summer. I am ready to play tennis. Not really, but still, I just want to get out there. I miss it so bad already. It's been like 2 weeks since I played, and I already miss it terribly. But he told me that after I start my physical therapy and stuff and get to where I don't have to worry about like not moving my shoulder so much, I can go play with my left hand for a little bit. So work on my backhand some, get better. But so yeah, I was in a good mood. I wanted to make a video, so figured I would let y'all know that I went to school today. So bye.